Let's continue with marching at the spot. Start with the right. Stay low. Let's go. Bring your knees up as high as you can. When you come up, push your pelvis to the front, activating your glutes here. Are you ready, team? Second cardio round, jump rope. Let's go. Hi everyone and welcome back on my channel. My name is Lara and I'm your expert for fitness, sports and dance. And today I'm bringing you a brand new song workout. In this song workout, we combine easy cardio exercises with basic strengthening movements to tone and sculpt the whole body and to make us sweat. This is only one part of my brand new song workout. If you want to watch the whole workout, then check out my online studio over here. Apart from that, you will find a wonderful mix of longer bar workouts, Pilates, yoga, functional and dance tutorials. And on top of that, you get a brand new workout plan every week. The first 7 days are completely free, so go and check it out. Let's start with opening your feet shoulder wide, your toes are looking slightly to the side. We start with a squat coming down for 2 and coming up for 2. Let's turn on the music and let's get it started. And down for 2 and up for 2. Now shift your weight backwards onto your heels to reduce the pressure on your knees. The spine is completely long, chest is out. Give me 4 more here. Belly button in and out to protect the lower back. Breathe and enjoy the music. Stay low. Let's continue with marching at the spot. Start with the right. Stay low. Bringing the thighs on fire. Shoulders softened and relaxed. Last. 4, 3. Let's switch to the other side. Left. Prepare yourself for the first cardio round. It's time to get the heart rate up to boost our fat metabolism. We start in 4, in 3 with a jump rope. Let's go. Bring your knees up as high as you can. Keep moving. Enjoy the music. Last 4, 3, 2. Jump with both feet. Land quietly and with muscle power. 4 more. 3, 2. Let's march it out, team. Woo, catch your breath. Awesome work. Prepare yourself for the second round. We come back with a squat. Open your feet shoulder wide. Let's come down for 2 and up for 2. Now have a look. When you come up, push your pelvis to the front, activating your glutes here. Long spine. 4 more to go. 3 more. Last 2. Hold it low. Now let's march at the spot. Start with the right. Woo. Feel the power in your thighs. Make sure not to round your upper back. Crack the nut with your shoulder blades. Let's switch to the left. Left, right. Make sure your knees don't fall inwards. They're pointing towards your big toes. 4 more. 3 more. Are you ready, team? Second cardio round, jump rope. Let's go. Ha. Breathe into the nose, out through the mouth. Last 4, 3, 2. Let's switch team, jump with both. Try to bring your heels back onto the floor while landing. 4 more. 3. It's time for a finisher. Bring the right knee up. Ha. Let's go. 4, 3, stay upright. Switch over. Ha. Don't tilt to the side. 4, 3. Come on, last round. Switch. Ha. 4, 3, 2, switch. Last round, last round. 4, 3, 2, march it out. This was a burner, guys. This was so much fun. I hope you liked it. If yes, please leave me a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any of my song workouts. Stay healthy, keep moving, and hopefully see you soon in the next workout.